Dr. Misraji, speak on the bill.
माननीय उपाध्यक्ष महोदय, 2 मिनट में मुझे इंस्टेंट नूडल जैसा अपना सुझाव और सवाल दोनों को उबाल के संसद के सामने रखना है।
आप सक्षम हैं।
I'll try my best. So my first thing is, we should have perhaps studied why there is significant delay in people registering births and deaths and should have incorporated into the law. If this subject is so important, perhaps we should add it to Article 51A, the fundamental duties of Indian citizens to do it on time. And I wish we would think that more importantly. Lastly, another important thing, sir, is that we are conveying that after 2 years, the matter has to go to a first-class judicial magistrate, which will make it a very legal and judicial process. This is not a matter of discussion between the citizen and the law or the authorities. It is an administrative process. The courts are today already overloaded, and I see no reason why the first-class judicial magistrate should be entrusted with the task after 2 years, which is predominantly an administrative process. The last and most important thing, sir, is Odisha's 21% more population are tribals. What they want is ease of access to how to register births and deaths. Perhaps as we see that people talk in reference to police stations, post office, railway station, we should have large displays of death and birth registration offices that will make it easier for the tribal population to do it on time. Because I believe in tribal population, Odisha suffers the most on account of lack of detailed documentation. And in literature, it is often called as crisis registration. When another authority asks you for admission, for ration card or for passport or documentation, these people try to rush it. But I believe it is an important thing. Our job as government must be to make it easier for our population to access this particular service administratively in each of our states. And I would urge you to please consider that. Thank you so much.
Thank you.